Good morning, children. I am your English teacher Sneha and I welcome you to English Monthly class. So, children, today's topic is Chapter 12, The Happy Frog. We have already studied the chapter and today we are going to discuss the book exercise. So, children, yesterday we read the story. So in this story we came to know that there is a boy named Raju who liked the frog a lot which he saw in a park. So he takes it to his home and keeps it in a jar. But when the frog got caught in a jar, it is not happy anymore and it doesn't jump anymore. So Raju's sister realized this and set the frog free, and then the happy frog is once again jumping, playing around in the park. So today we are going to discuss the exercise based on the same chapter. So first of all, take out page number 104 in your multiple notes. Page 104. Tick right the correct option. In this question, you have to tick right the correct option. It means you have been given one question and some options have been given for it. So you just have to put a tick right for the correct option. So let's start today's exercise. Question number A. Where did Raju find the frog? So children, the options given are in his bedroom, in his school or in a park. So we have already read the chapter. I have explained you the story. So what do you think? Where did Raju find the frog? This story is all about Raju and the frog. And this story takes place in a park. It doesn't take place in Raju's bedroom, not even in his school. The story takes place in a park where Raju finds the frog. So the correct answer is in a park. Where did Raju find the frog? Raju finds the frog in a park. So children, tick right the option in a park. Put a tick right against the option in a park. Question number B. Why did Raju catch the frog? Options given are he did not like it. He wanted to keep it as a pet. He wanted to give it to his sister. So children, as we have read the story, we have already understood that Raju liked the frog a lot. But why did he wanted to catch the frog? He did not like it. No, Raju liked the frog a lot. He wanted to keep it as a pet. He wanted to give it to his sister. Did Raju want to give the pet, the frog, to his sister? No. He wanted to keep it as a pet because he liked the frog a lot. So the correct answer is he wanted to keep it as a pet. So children, put a tick right against the answer he wanted to keep it as a pet. Now, page number 105. Come to page number 105. Here, second question is, fill in the blanks. You have to fill the correct words in the blanks given below. Raju put the frog in a dash. So when Raju caught the frog, Raju stretched his arm and the frog came onto his hand. So what did Raju do with the frog? Raju caught the frog, he took it home and kept it in a jar. Raju put the frog in a jar. Jar, jar. B. He showed it to his dash. So when Raju went to his home, he put the frog in a jar. So what did he do next? He went to his sister's bedroom. He knocked on the door and he wanted to show the frog to his sister. So he showed it to his sister. Sister, sister. Once again I will repeat the answers. Fill in the blanks Raju put the frog in a jar. He showed it to his sister. Jar, jar, sister, sister. So children, write down the answers. Jar, jar, sister, sister. Now, next exercise, page number 106. All of you open page number 106. Here, second question. Fill in the blanks with the words given below. So, help box has been given. So, the words given in the help box are writes, plays, climbs, lives, gives. Let's read the words once again. Writes, plays, climbs, lives, gives. So these 5 words are given. You have to choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks given here. So 5 words are given and 5 sentences are given. So let us first read the sentences and then try to fill in the blanks suitable words. A. Rohit dashed near a park. B. He dashed with his friends in the park. C. He dashed his bicycle to the park. D. He dashed trees. E. He dashed bread to the ducks in the pond. As you can see, I have already noted down the answers. But before writing down the answers, you should know why these are the correct answers. C. Rohit dashed near a park. You have been given options. Rides near a park? No. Plays near a park? It can be. Climbs? No. Lives? This is also the correct answer. Gives? No. So 2 answers are there. So when you get confused, you just leave it. Let's move to the next questions. We'll do it later. He dashed with his friends in the park. What does he do with his friends in the park? He plays. So this one is used. He dashed his bicycle to the park. What do you do with the vehicles? You ride a bicycle, you ride a motorbike. Then he climbs trees. Animals climb trees. He gives bread to the ducks in the pond. So children, whenever you get this type of exercise where you have a help box and you have to use words from the help box. So in that case, you first read all of the sentences and then try to find out which word suits the best in which sentence. For example, he dashed with his friends in the park. So usually you play in the park. You don't ride in the park, you don't climb, you don't live in the park, you don't give in the park. Okay, so the most suitable answer is he plays with his friends in the park. He climbs trees. You climb trees. Okay, animals climb trees. So these are the answers. Let's read once again. Rohit lives near a park. Lives. Lives. He plays with his friends in the park. Plays. Plays. He rides his bicycle to the park. Rides. 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 Climbs. He climbs trees. Climbs. Climbs. He gives bread to the ducks in the pond. Gives. Gives. So children, your homework is you have to do this work in your Mulberry book and learn it. I hope you have understood the exercise well. You have to finish this work in your Mulberry book and you have to learn it. Let's revise the exercise once again. First one is to write the correct option. Where did Raju find the frog? In a park. Raju finds a frog in the park. So we have put it right here. Why did Raju catch the frog? Because he wanted to keep it as a pet. So we have to put a tick mark here. We just put a tick here. He wanted to keep it as a pet. Then next exercise is fill in the blanks. Raju put the frog in a jar. Jar, jar. He showed it to his sister. Sister, sister. Next is page 106. Fill in the blanks with the words given below. Rides, plays, climbs, lives, gives. Rohit lives near a park. He plays with his friends in the park. He rides his bicycle to the park. He climbs trees. He gives bread to the ducks in the pond. And your homework is do this work in your Madhuri book and learn. Children, I hope all of you have understood the exercise well and you have enjoyed this class. So let's meet once again tomorrow, and in next class we will be doing the copy work of this chapter. That means we will be doing the word meanings, question and answers, and the exercises that are to be done in copy. So I hope all of you will finish your work, and you please go through the video once again if you have any difficulty understanding the exercise and its answers. Hope to meet you soon. We'll be meeting tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching.